guys, I'm Joe with Hops and Brews, and today I got my brother Steve here, so you probably know what that means. It's some more Martin House beer.
Wonderful.
So today we got some Martin House beer, and it's not pickle beer, so I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah.
This is Beets.
Battlestar Galactica.
It is their spiced beet sour beer.
Yeah. I'm not a big fan of Beets, but I'm ready to be objective about it.
Yeah.
As objective as I can.
I'm just looking forward to it not being a pickle beer. That's it. Let's just get into it.
All right.
This beer comes in at a 7% ABV, 8 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.82. Lactose sour with beets and holiday spices. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, well.
Yeah.
It's like a jammy sour.
Looks like it, doesn't it?
Do you want more or less?
I'm gonna go for less.
Well, yeah, the color is, it's like a jammy sour raspberry.
It looks like a jammy sour. Now I expected it to be red because of the beets. But it's going to not taste like a jammy sour, I guarantee
give
it.
that
Let's see.
aroma a smell.
You know, that's not that bad. It smells like a tart sour.
It's got that Christmassy spice notes to it.
It does. It definitely does. I don't know.
It kind of almost smells like a mulled sour Christmas beer.
Mulled wine or something like that. Like a tart mulled wine.
Yeah.
It doesn't smell bad.
Yeah. All right, cheers.
You know what?
That's
not bad.
That's actually
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
The beet flavor is not really heavy.
No, it's a little in the back.
And there's a bit of earthy notes, but not overpowering.
No.
And that tartness kind of really complements it.
Yeah, this is actually tasting more like a farmhouse style.
Yeah.
Fruited beer with holiday spices in it.
Yeah, and it's not an overpowered sour either. I'm pleasantly surprised.
I
I thought
know.
this was going to be like I don't like it, but
Yeah,
no, this is good.
No problem pouring the rest of that in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, 7%. I mean, yeah, it does get like a 3.8, so it's a pretty decent review.
I think it's better than that. Well, maybe because it's subverting my expectations.
That could be it too.
But yeah, I think this is really good.
Although, I mean, drinking a full can of this, I'm already tasting a little bit of that spicy note in the back of my throat of the holidays. I don't know if I could want to drink more than this much. I'm glad I'm splitting this.
Yeah.
That's how I am. Anyways, I really enjoy it, but 4 ounces is probably what I would want at a time.
I could probably do a whole can. That's not too bad.
Whole can?
You know, a while back when you did the warm beer tastings, I think this would be a great warm beer. Actually.
This probably would be.
This probably would be a good warm beer, especially it's a holiday thing. It's got spice notes to it. It's warm and sour. You had a little bit of just sweetness to it, extra sweetness to it. It would be a great, like, warm by the fire, Christmassy type of drink.
Yeah, exactly. I was thinking it's going to say by the fire type drink. If you're looking for that alternative to a stout,
yeah,
this actually really good.
It's really good.
I'm so happy
Yeah.
to have this from Martin House to be like not spit the beer out.
Yeah.
And Martin House, I know they make good stuff. It's just I always pick the weirdest things that they have. This is just proof that they actually do.
They do
make good
job,
stuff.
Yeah.
Well, so if you're looking for a different style of a holiday beer or a campfire beer, Martin House Brewing has got some very unique flavors, and this beet beer might be up your alley.
That's really good. I was really surprised.
Yeah. Well, cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember, hit like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media stuff. The links for all those will be at the very bottom of the description. Have you ever had a beet beer before? We have, and it was horrible.
Yeah, this one's good.
This one's great. What's a weird vegetable root style beer you've ever had before that's different than beet? Let me know in the comments below. See you guys.